welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open the Visual Studio's code directly from the command prompt of your Windows. So let's see how to do this. So in order to start, first we will head on to a command prompt by typing in CMD in the search bar. Now this is the command prompt. Simply double click and open your command prompt. Now the command to open the Visual Studio's code is code space -n. Once you have typed in, hit the enter button, and here you can see that the Visual Studio's code has been successfully opened. Alternatively, there is also a different method to open this. So the other method to do this operation is that you type in this command, that is code, give it a space, and then put in a dot. Once you have typed in, hit the enter button, and here you can see that even this has installed the Visual Studio's code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.